Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about PC Manager, an app to manage your PC. With that app, you can do many things like boost RAM and remove unnecessary files. This app is actually made by Microsoft and yeah. Let's take a look at the app and then we'll talk about how the app works and how it is helpful and how some stuff I don't like too much about it. And also, this video has a how-to article associated with the video. The link to the how-to article will be in the description. In the article, there's the download link for the app and the slides used in this YouTube video. Okay, so first you will need to install the app. You could just search up PC Manager on Google. And then you can click on this link. And yeah, in this webpage will also be linked in the description and inside my website. After that, you will click on download. I already have it downloaded, so after you went through all the download processes, you can launch the app by just simply searching for PC Manager. And then over here, you can just open it like this. Then this is PC Manager. Okay, so over here is the overall app and how it looks like. Over here, when you get in, you'll see boost your PC's for performance, your memory usage, and your temporary files on the boost button. So first we'll talk about boosting. This is the first tab. There's two tabs, clean up and security. This is just cleaning up all the other stuff and then freeing up your memory. And then over here it's security, so it just basically does a scan just like Windows Defender. So let's click on the boost button, and after you see the memory usage is going down, let me get my task manager, and as you can see it gets the same thing that it gets from the PC Manager. It's getting everything, as you can see. And yeah, what it just did is lower the usage that all the apps is using. Mine is a little high since I am using a lot of different apps, especially in my other desktop, so yeah. After that, you can just boost it to boost your RAM and clean temporary files, your health check. It just looks for stuff and to make your PC faster, viruses and all that stuff. And then storage management. You can see how much is being used. You could perform a deep cleanup. You could manage large files. So very large files you can see here. It takes some time. I don't have any large files, so yeah. You can manage apps with this icon. It means it's gonna open a different app. This is this app, and then storage sense. Yeah. This app is also basically taking things from a bunch of different places and then putting it into one app. I would say that. And then process management. I would say this is not very useful since like right now I'm using OBS Studio to record this video, and it has unused processes, but well, it's just recording my video right now. Startup apps also not most useful. Okay, let's move on to the second tab named security. in the security app, for me, it only shows Windows Update, and when you scan, it's gonna scan for Windows Defenders. When you click on Allow Threats, it opens Windows Defender. And yeah, over here's the settings icon. You click on Settings. This is enabled by default. I would recommend you disable this. You can check for updates. You can send feedback. And you can exit the app, which actually closes the app. Because when you open it, and then you click on the X button, where's PC? Okay, it's open. So yeah, like I said, whenever you click on the X, it doesn't actually close it. It just it's still running in the background. It doesn't take up a lot of resources, just 1 megabytes, I think. And yeah. So yeah, so let's go to the next slide. As I said, when you click on the boost button on the app, it removes unnecessary RAM usage like from browsers. It also removes temporary files, which frees up space. This overall makes managing your PC much easier, and it is a modern and useful app. As you can see, this is designed like Windows 11. And yeah. This is the good stuff, but I also have some disadvantages. As you saw at the beginning of the video, when I boosted it, this went to 60, but the RAM just went back up. So I mentioned that here. When you boost the RAM and you go back into an app, the RAM goes back up, so it's not really able to keep the RAM down for long periods of time. So after this, I'm gonna show you at 309 the RAM usage, or 310. And then some stuff are not useful, like process management, like I showed you. This is kinda like task manager, but like you said, this combines stuff from multiple places and put it into this. And startup apps. And yeah, still overall, this is a very nice app. As you can see, the RAM's going up slowly. And yeah, this is a note. At the time I am recording this video, the PC Manager app is still at public beta. So not everything is done with this app. More stuff will be coming soon with the app. As you can see over here, it's not 100% done. It says public beta. So as you can see, I got 66 when I boosted it, but now it's 69. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is how it is. Anyways, it's still a pretty good app. So like if I minimize this and then boost it, then it's gonna run a bit better. Yeah, hopefully there's an update that fixes that thing that not too good. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. That this app is super useful, and then the link to download this app is in the description and also linked in my website. Let me show you. This, as a reminder, this link has a how-to article associated with the video, and the article is also listed in the description. So hopefully you liked my video, and hopefully this app helps you out. I'm gonna make more videos. I'm gonna try to make more videos this month because I haven't been posting too much lately, but I'll try. So have a good day, everyone.